Hey everyone, so today I'll be explaining you how we can create a text summary of any website or a blog using OpenAI plus Langchain. Firstly, I'm installing OpenAI with token, MongoDB, and Langchain. After that, once I install that, I am importing from Langchain.chat models. Which model I'm using? Here is OpenAI chat. And on the Langchain, we have another thing that is web-based loader because I want a website blog to be loaded over here and I want its summary by using Langchain plus OpenAI. Right. After that, as I wanted a summary, so Langchain provides a chance, a summarizer, and there we can import the load summarize thing. Once I have it those details, I need to make sure that I save this OpenAI key in .env file, or I can do that. I can keep or I can put this OpenAI key directly to the object of chat OpenAI. Now, firstly, let's load the website or blog that we want to be summarized. So this is the blog and I created a loader of it and then loaded it. So on a docs, you'll have the details like this. And over here, I created an object of chat OpenAI with the temperature 0. Temperature over here is if we increase it to 1, then it will be more generative. Means the tags to its summary will be very different and they will be like extra, I can say, generative or imaginary. Then there is a model name where you can give the model name. I'm using GPT 3.5 Turbo, and here, as I told you, if you don't create .env file, you can directly put it here, your key. Once you have it, this object, then you can directly give it to .summarize chain, this object, and chain type, you can keep it off if your data is very small. If the data is big, then you need to use MapReduce over here. And once you have the object of load summarize chain, then you can directly run dot run and then give the docs, and that will give you a summary, right? But now more general with using LangChain plus prompt engineering is a good way to get summary. So from langchain.chains.llm, I'm importing the LLM chain, and from the prompt, I'm importing the prompt template, and from chain dot I'm importing the stuff document chain. Here is the basic prompt template that I'm adding it here. So what I wrote it here is a right concise summary of the following. So I will add it here the text and it will give me a concise summary. So I'm giving is this template to the template. I'm giving it to the prompt template from template because this is a template from which I want the prompt to be of. So okay, I gave this prompt to this LLM chain and LLM object. That is same as what we discussed above. And once we have this LLM chain object, then what we need to do is give the text to it, right? So how you can do that? So we have the stuff document chain. Inside that, you need to give the LLM chain object and document variable name. And we have the stuff chain that is here for us now. Now, as we already loaded, so the talk of it, I'm giving it to this stock chain to give me a summary, and it's giving me a summary that this article discusses the importance of writing a good summary. The blog provide 5 ways to do the and XYZ, right? I hope you liked it. Very small and very informative video for you. Thank you for watching.